Shut up, right back. Let me go get my food.
Word? Yeah, New York, for sure. I came down here just to eat, word? I'm telling you. I ain't gonna lie. Well, right here, what's that called? Braised chicken. I ain't say that. I ain't gonna lie, God did. You know what I'm saying? For sure. I heard they got the good ass lunch specials over here too, I heard.
You want to get the house special with the rice.
House special with the fried rice?
Yeah, bro, with the sauce on the rice.
Hold on, let me see what you're talking about. The red one or the one on the front? Okay. They got the egg rolls. People be getting the egg rolls too or nah? They do?
One right now.
Hey, they look like me. Damn. All right, man, we got sesame chicken, sweet and sour chicken, mixed vegetable, chicken lo mein, 4-piece braised chicken. Yeah, this shit sound good. Sweet and sour shrimp, mandarin chicken. I don't know what the fuck mandarin chicken is. General chicken, curry chicken. Nah, this shit for $3.85, bro. I'm about to bust this down on me. I fuck with the AOD. I dead ass fuck with the A. Shout out to the A, bro. Y'all be showing me nothing but love out here.
Are you ready? Yeah.
That don't look like the one that be in the mall, man.
Ready? Let's get ready to rumble!
House special fried rice with the Mandarin chicken. That shit look good as fuck. Oh, let me get some of this too. Let's do half-half. Yeah, half-half. Word. God did. God did. Let me get no veggies on my shit though. Like no veggies for real. Y'all got iced tea? Yeah, let me get iced tea too. Large, jumbo. Yeah, they got a giant, you know, they had jumbo size. I ain't never gave me an egg roll. Y'all don't got no like little sweets and something, desserts? Nothing like that? All right, good. Yo, primo! Got the jumbo, house special fried rice.
You have permission to
No, it's a PlayStation 5, don't even trip. But excuse me, miss, I see you from about to eat good on. Everything I love, I'm about to eat good. I'm telling you. Yo, chill. What's up? Yo, chill, bro. Don't watch that, nigga. Watch TV. I said, nigga, don't chill. Watch that. They don't got no seats, bro. Nah, I'm a Bronx nigga, bro. I'm eating right here, bro. We eating right here? I'm about to bust this down on everything I love. We in the trenches, too. We in the trenches. Where we at? We in Cascades. I'm not sure if you from the A, bro. Y'all let me know, bro. All right, first bite. All right, hold on. Hey, mix it up. Hold on, I'm not done though.
Hey, y'all say y'all have this food like this here stove today?
What happened?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I'm trying to get some food out of stove. Y'all can help now.
You want to get something to eat? I got you.
Why it take so long to go? Yeah, where you from, New York?
Yeah.
I'm from Chicago.
Really? When you came down here?
In 1962.
I just got here. 2 months.
What part of New York from?
I'm from the Bronx.
My cousin lived from right there called Lincoln Hospital still there.
Lincoln Hospital 149. Yeah. What you gonna get?
No, man.
I just got me some house special fried rice. With the mandarin chicken, that shit bust on me though, you heard? Shit bust on me.
You said buzzing wide open.
Damn. 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 Yeah, back. Damn. I'm gonna get you what you want. Let me know, you heard?
Boy, you look just like Fanum.
Like who?
Fanum.
Yeah, nah, I look like Fanum, but I'm not really Fanum and shit. That's my cousin, matter of fact, okay? Nah, I know. You know Duke? Yeah. The what? The what? The Wizard of Oz is crazy. There you go. How much is? All right, no problem. Be safe, you heard? We gonna eat good today. I ain't gonna lie, we eat good every day. And this shit is so safe right here. I can leave my food right here. It's untouched. Like, can you really say the same about your hood? You cannot. right, bye, mama. All right. You too. The reason why I love food so much, bro, is because it just makes people feel good. Like, that's, people underestimate the way food is, bro. I'm the type, I can never deny you food. You heard my mom always told me that.
Can I get some food?
Nah, hold on, gang. I don't never deny nobody food, all jokes aside though. Mandarin chicken, right? Whatever this is, right? House special fried rice, right? I'm gonna give my review in a bit, don't worry about it. Nah, this chicken better than the Mandarin. You out here trying to restaurant, you know, trying to cafeteria, you know what the fuck going on, we outside, nigga never inside. What's the word, gang?
But the chicken was actually chicken, like it had bone in it?
Yes, but that shit good as fuck. Yo, I'm not gonna give you that.
Hey, yo, what's that for?
What?
That.
I know that boy had that shits off there.
Bobby, español.
Huh?
Speak Spanish or English?
No.
English?
No. What you doing?
I wanna say thank you. This shit good as fuck, Bobby.
All right.
Bobby, dale ahí. This shit good as fuck, you are. Yo, keep it up. I'm a big ass fan. I'm a big fan, Pop. I have to compliment the chef, you are. Mm-hmm. Little fender bender, nothing crazy. Damn, she didn't even say hi back, damn. I'm coming tomorrow. Did I have the house special or the lunch special today? You want to plate? Yeah, you gonna have to go, I can't move no more. You gonna have to go inside and get it, bro. I just give you the cards, come out with greatness. Whatever you touch, I buy.
For real?
Yeah. Nah. Hold on, nigga, delete that shit. I hope y'all smash this like button, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I never really found a true 1-star. Like, it seems like all the 1-stars get shut down. I wonder why. Cause even though people were talking shit about this establishment, I'm gonna keep it a buck. It can't be that fucking bad. Everybody fuck with it. It's good vibes when you go in. And look, I even talked to the chef. He asked me what I was doing, and I told him I'm eating good.
What you doing?
Let your taste buds experience life. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we show the eyes everything, we forget about the taste buds, gang. And that's the problem with the world nowadays. Damn. Damn. Damn! I forgot about the egg rolls. Oh, you know what that mean, right? Your bitch getting fucked by 3 fat niggas. All right, y'all, listen. Yo, the sub count. Yeah, I ain't even get out the car. I just acted like I got out the car. I'm fucking weird. Here's my sub count. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We got like 1.1 million subscribers already. We coming for 2 million subscribers, bro. 2 mil. I look scruffy because I beat. Y'all